When right-hand opponent leads a card, we play second on the trick. Partner will play last, so we will often play second hand low to not waste our honors before dummy plays. When right-hand opponent leads a low card, we usually play low. When right-hand opponent leads a high card, we often cover with a higher card if we have one. The general rule is do whatever RHO does. Look at this example. Declarer leads the 2 toward dummy's king, and we are second hand. We can see the ace, king, 10. The more important question is, who has the queen and jack? Dummy's king is protected, and it sits behind our ace. She will get that king no matter what. If declarer has the queen or the jack, we want to keep our ace to capture it later. RHO led low, so unless our ace is the setting trick, we need to play alt low also, the 4. Think of it this way. We guard the person on our right, the person we play after. Partner guards dummy, the person on her right. That means we don't worry about dummy, who is the player on our left. Here is the whole suit. South has the queen, but partner has the jack. If we play the ace, they will get both king and queen. They don't deserve to get the queen. They deserve the king, but in no trump, we should get all the other tricks in this suit. Declarer led low, the 2. We should do what declarer does, play low. Switch the cards in blue. Now East's king has dummy's jack trapped, and our ace 10 have declarer's queen 9 trapped. Defended correctly, declarer gets no winners at all in this suit. Declarers do not lead this suit. Try to maneuver the opponents into having to play this suit first. If you do, then you will get one winner if they lead the suit. We identify this as jack third in dummy, queen third in our hand. Don't try to lead this suit. Dummy leads the 3. We can't see the ace, queen, jack, or 10. If declarer has them, then it won't matter. But what if she doesn't? Here is the whole suit. If we play low, we make declarer have to guess. She might guess wrong. Conversely, if we play our king right now, she will play the suit correctly every time. Let's change the cards. Now declarer has an even bigger guess. But, same as before, if we play the ace early, instead of second hand low, declarer doesn't have to guess at all. Dummy led low, do what dummy does. Play low also in second seat. Sometimes we have honors in sequence. South leads the 4. If we play second hand low, dummy might play the 10. To prevent that, play the jack, lowest of our equals. Partner should be able to figure out that we also hold king, queen. In this suit, they deserve only one winner, the ace. South leads the 4. We have Queen Jack honors. If declarer has the king, she might try to play the 10 for an extra winner. Prevent that by playing the jack. It will force the ace and promote our queen no matter who has the king. This example brings up an important point. We need to see the ace 10 over our queen jack early on and figure out what we will play if South leads low. If we have to pause and think about it, that tells declarer where the missing honor is. We need to know what we will do so we can play in tempo and not give away that information. Splitting our honors is not automatic. We can see the 10 in dummy. If we split our honors here, they will get 3 winners every time. Play low here. There's no certainty that dummy will put in the 10. Being able to remember the bidding helps us in so many ways. Here, South opened 1 heart. We know she has at least 5 hearts and probably has that missing king. With a 9-card fit, she will play ace-king most of the time and hope the suit splits 2-2. When South leads the 3, definitely do not split your honors here. Play low because dummy is almost certain to play the ace. Another time we avoid playing second hand low is when, by playing high, we take the setting trick. Sometimes it's pretty obvious. This hand is page 144 of your textbook. Here we are in 4 hearts. West led the diamond jack. Dummy's king is trapped, so East wins the first 2 diamonds, and then leads a 3rd diamond, which gets roughed in declarer's hand. Declarer pulls trump in 2 rounds. West has 2, East has 2, and they must try to set up their spades. If West isn't thinking when declarer leads a low spade toward dummy, she might automatically play low. This will allow declarer to make the contract. What West needs to do is take that spade ace immediately. Why? Because if she realizes the club ace is the setting trick, she can take it right now. This example was pretty easy to see what we needed to do. Here is example 146 from our textbook. Again, we are in 4 hearts. West leads and wins the spade, ace, king, queen. And then she leads the 10, which gets roughed in declarer's hand. Declarer pulls trump in 2 rounds and will win the diamond, ace, king, queen. She needs to successfully finesse the club jack to make her contract. She will lead a club from dummy through East's king, queen. What East needs to do is first think. If I split my club honors, it will force South to play the ace, which will promote my other honor into the setting trick. If East plays a low club, South will take the jack, and that's the winning trick right there. That gives them their contract. When opponents lead high cards, we usually cover an honor with an honor. The hard part is recognizing the exceptions. In the first example, the queen was led. Holding King Jack 10, we expect declarer to have the ace. Covering with the king forces the ace, which promotes our Jack 10. In the second example, it's a little tougher to see, but covering the queen with the king and drawing the ace might produce or promote a winner in partner's hand. Even if we promote nothing, it isn't wrong to cover the queen. Declarer, in the first example, deserves 3 winners. In the second example, covering the queen, they will get the ace and the jack, but partner has all the remaining cards, which is 10, 9, 8, 2. She will get 1 winner. All we can see is dummy and east. Do we cover dummy's jack with our queen? Yes. Declarer will get the ace king, but partner will ultimately get the 10. If we play low, they will have no losers in the suit. In the second example, declarer leads the 10, and we can see ace-jack in dummy, so our queen is trapped. Cover the 10 with the queen, make them use 2 honors to capture our queen. They get the first trick, but we get the king and the 9 later. We cover honors to promote winners for our side, either in our own hand or in partner's hand. But if there is nothing to promote, there's no reason to cover. Dummy leads the queen, and we expect declarer to have the ace. It's pretty easy to see that if we cover the queen with the king, dummy's Jack 10, 9 will be promoted. We have 8 cards here, so the other 5 will usually split 3-2. If we keep ducking, eventually our king will promote. Now we see 2 honors in dummy, Queen Jack. If we cover the first honor, they will win the ace, and then they can finesse partner's 10. We will get no winners at all. But if we cover the second honor, partner will eventually get the 10. With 2 honors in dummy, cover the second one.